Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Monday.com. To get started, open Notion and look to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on Settings and Members. This is where you can manage important workspace options, including connections and imports from other tools. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct Notion workspace before moving forward, especially if you use more than one. That can help avoid importing content into the wrong place. Once you are inside Settings and Members, navigate to the Import section. In this area, you'll see different services and platforms that Notion can bring content in from. Find and select Monday.com. This begins the integration and import setup process between the two platforms. After selecting Monday.com, Notion will prompt you to log into your Monday.com account. Go ahead and sign in if needed. Then retrieve your API token from Monday.com when prompted. This token allows Notion to securely connect to your Monday.com data, so the import can happen properly. After you've entered the token, click Authenticate. If everything is entered correctly, Notion will verify the connection and move you to the next part of the setup. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose the workspace you want to import from. Be careful here and select the correct Monday.com workspace, particularly if your account has access to multiple teams or environments. After that, decide how much content you want to bring into Notion. You'll typically have the option to do a full import, which brings in all available supported content. Or choose projects and tasks only if you want a more focused setup without extra data. The best choice depends on how you plan to use Notion. If you are migrating more completely, a full import may make sense. If you only want your active work structure, the projects and tasks option can keep things cleaner. Once you've made your selections, click Next to continue. From there, Notion will begin processing the import based on the options you chose, depending on the amount of data. This may take a little time, so it's a good idea to wait for the import to finish before making major changes. And that's it. You've now started the process of integrating Notion with Monday.com in a simple and organized way. Thanks for watching.